Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're making beef chuck steak, pan-seared on the stovetop. Get that preheated pan ready, get that turmeric ready to go, put a little bit in the pan once the pan is preheated, let it get a little bit of smoky, put some oil on top of it. It can be sunflower, it can be canola, it can be grape, that's just fine. Olive oil if you please. Once that pan is hot, put a little bit of salt in there in case that beef has some moisture to get off. That salt will take it up and reduce the splattering as it goes in. And once it goes in, you're going to want to let it sit there for about 3 minutes on each side. And then you flip it over after it's nice and seared. And then you let it finish until it's nice and seared. And after that, guess what? You've got yourself a nice beef chuck steak, just about medium rare. And if you want to take it a little longer, you can make it well. If you want to have it a little bit under, you can take it a little less. The choice is up to you right there. But this is the average cook time for what amounts to about a 3/8 inch to a 1/2 inch steak. Probably about a centimeter or so if we're talking on metric. And this steak in particular does not need that long to rest. It'll cool down pretty quick given that it's not the thickest steak. So give it about a minute after it's done with the fires off, and then it'll be ready to serve. You can chop it up, you can eat it as it is. It's pretty soft once you follow this recipe like this and use the right heat, about a medium-high flame to a medium flame, and then take it down towards the end. Let it work itself into a nice gradient as it cools down, and serve it as you please. And for a tip, this makes really good sandwich meat or steak and egg scramble. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and leave any comments or questions you have in the section below. Do it yourself gourmet folks. We'll see you next time.